Hi everyone, today I'm making a no-bake cheesecake. All your favorite flavors in one bite. Oreo, peanut butter, and caramel stacked together for the ultimate sweet treat. Let's go. Begin by taking a pack of chocolate Oreos and arranging them on a sheet of parchment paper. Fold the paper over the Oreos and use a rolling pin to crush the cookies into fine pieces. Melt 60 grams of unsalted butter in a bowl and mix in crushed cookies until the crumbs are well coated. Spoon the coated crumb into the cake tin you are using. Press down on the crumbs to create a solid base. You can use your hand or the back of a spoon, depending on your preference. Next, gently melt 60 grams of unsalted butter in a pan over low heat. Then add 125 grams of brown sugar. Then add 75 grams of dark brown sugar. Gently heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Empty an entire can of condensed milk into the mixture and continue stirring to blend everything together. Allow the mixture to simmer gently over low heat for approximately 10 minutes. Spread a delicate layer of caramel over the Oreo base and place it in the refrigerator to chill. In a separate bowl, combine 165 grams of soft cheese, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, and 2 heaping tablespoons of peanut butter. Add a tablespoon of double cream, then blend everything in the bowl together. Spoon the creamy cheese mixture onto the layer of caramel